about 800 Gurkhas, soldiers and their families from Nepal who moved in at barracks near Folkestone.
In that time, they fought and won a long-running battle to stay in the country. And now a study has revealed that Gurkhas are the most hard-working and independent social group in Britain. Our reporter John Ryle has their story.
Famed and feared as a fighting force, 800 Gurkhas and their families moved into barracks at Folkestone 10 years ago. 10 years in which they've seen action in Iraq and Afghanistan and fought and won the right to live in Britain after military service. Their campaign for equal pension rights with the rest of the British Army continues. Many say they feel like second-class citizens. But today, a study at the University of Kent reveals that Gurkhas are the most enterprising and independent social group in Britain. It shows that more than 92% of men and 61% of women are in full-time work, and 56% own their own homes, while many others rent privately. But 91% of Gurkhas said they knew little about local community support providers, access to adult education or local leisure facilities.
Contrary to some people's belief and assumptions that Gurkhas, if they congregate in certain areas, they are taking up social housing and all that, the research clearly shows that Gurkhas actually prefer to buy their own homes. They've only been here, like I said, since 2004, but already 56% of them own their own homes, and 27% rent privately, so they're not on social housing.
A leader of the Gurkha community in Folkestone puts the report's findings down to a strong work ethic.
We always work hard and we're trustworthy, and also we take the extra work, overtime work, and we go and work in time and come back in the time, and we are ready for the next job and next work.
Gurkha campaigners say the report is timely, coming days after an MP caused outrage by suggesting that Gurkhas living in Britain should be dispersed and treated like asylum seekers.
So I think it's very timely, I think it's good news and should dispel a lot of the myths.
Now Gurkhas say they'll use today's report as a new weapon in their continuing battle for equal pensions. John Ryle in Folkestone for Meridian Tonight.
The Kent